Hello teacher, my name is Edison Fabian Castro. Organic foods. Organic foods are those that do not contain agricultural chemicals such as pesticides. Home were tested to be more expensive and in some countries must be identified with the organic products label. Agriculture campaigns are not local as is believed. They sell the product that they are avoiding in cross from other areas. The implication of those chemicals can cause diseases such as cancer. Although there are still no studies that fully confirm it, doctors indicate that they can predispose people to heart disease that is which recommendations are provided, such as the reduction of sugar that occurs in many for such as glucose and fructose, avoiding processed foods that claim to be organic and not very really. Proper food and hand washing to prevent the proliferation of contaminating bacteria is also an important measure. Finally, a discussion is precedent to show whether organic products are really a source of healthy nutrients for the organic.